In this video, I'll show you how to add an overlay in CapCut. First, make sure your main video is already on the timeline. Now go to the top and click on the Media tab. Click Import, and choose the image or video you want to use as an overlay. Once it's imported, drag and drop it onto a track above your main clip in the timeline. Now you'll see the overlay on top of your video in the preview window. To adjust it, just click on the overlay. You can resize it by dragging the corners and move it anywhere on the screen. If you want to animate the overlay, just select it, click the diamond icon to add keyframes, then change position or scale to create smooth movement. That's how you add overlays in CapCut, quick and simple. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.